Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Ranger hubcaps. This process is straightforward, but requires the right tools and a careful approach to avoid damage. First, gather your essential tools: a sturdy flathead screwdriver, a non-marring plastic pry tool, and a pair of work gloves for protection. Having these items ready will make the entire removal much smoother and safer for you and your vehicle. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your Ford Ranger is parked securely on a flat, level surface and firmly engage the parking brake. This prevents any accidental movement while you are working. Next, carefully inspect the hubcap to find a small notch or a slight gap where the cap meets the wheel rim. This is your starting point for the removal process. Now, insert your plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver into the identified notch. Gently begin to pry the hubcap outwards, working your way around the entire circumference. Apply steady, even pressure to gradually release the retaining clips that hold the cap in place. Avoid using excessive force in one spot, as this can bend or break the clips, or even damage the hubcap itself. Continue until all clips are disengaged. After successfully removing the hubcap, take a moment to inspect both the cap and the wheel for any accumulated dirt, rust, or debris. Cleaning these areas now can prevent future issues. When you are ready to reinstall, simply align the hubcap with the wheel, ensuring the valve stem lines up correctly. Then, apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear the retaining clips click securely back into position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.